Afternoon to all. Today our chapter is integration, that is indefinite integration from the book ML Overall, exercise 9.6 for class 12. Question number 4, second part. See the question given, integration 1 by x square tan square 1 by x dx. This is the question given. Let 1 by x, this tan square 1 by x given, 1 by x you take as u. So what is the derivative of 1 by x? The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square dx is equal to du. That means dx by x square is equal to minus du. Now you have to substitute dx by 1 by x square, dx by x square equal to how much? Minus du, and this will be tan square u. So finally you are getting tan square u minus du. The minus sign you take it outside, minus integration tan square u du. There is no formula for tan square integration. You have to break tan square theta. Its formula is what? Sec square u minus 1 du. Now just interchange, then this will be finally reverse 1 minus x square u whole du. So what is the integration of 1 du? That is u minus integration of sec square u, that is tan u plus c, integration constant. Now put the value of u as 1 by x minus tan of 1 by x plus c is the answer. Question number 4, second part completed. Next I am going to question number 5. Question number 5, it is given integration x square dx by sin square x cube. This is the question given. So first of all you take x cube as u, substituting x cube as u. So derivative of x cube is 3x square dx equal to du. Therefore x square dx is equal to du by 3. Now you have to substitute x square dx as du by 3, and this will be sin square u. And 1 by sin square is nothing but cos square, that means 1 by 3 integration cos square u du. So what is the integration of cos square u? That is minus cot u. Integration of cos square u, that is minus cot u plus c. Now this will be minus 1 by 3 cot, what is u? U means x cube, minus 1 by 3 cot x cube plus c is the answer. Next I am going to number 5, second part. This is the number 5, first part. And I go number 5, second part. Question number 5, second part, question given integration sec cube x square plus 5 into tan x square plus 5 dx. First of all you take x square plus 5 as u. So what is the derivative of x square? That is 2x dx, derivative of 5 is 0, 2x dx equal to du. Now 2x dx you substitute as du, then this will be converted to sec cube u into tan u, and this one is du. Now you see, just write here like this. This is sec square u into sec u tan u du. Okay. So the derivative of sec u, that is sec u tan u, that means derivative of sec u, written here sec u tan u du. So what is the integration of this one? This will be sec cube u by 3, that means 1 by 3 sec cube u plus u. Because derivative of sec u written here sec u into tan u du. If I substitute, I will get v square derivative will be, integration will be 1 by 3 v cube. Directly I am doing here. Now 1 by 3 sec, what is u? You have to substitute, that is x square plus 5. U means here x square plus 5 plus c. This is the answer of number 5, second part. Next I am going to number 6. Question number 6. First part, it is given sine of log x divided by x whole into dx. Sine of log x by x or dx. This is the question given. Do one thing, let log x as u. So what is the derivative of log x? That is 1 by x dx is equal to du. Therefore dx by x as du. Therefore this will be converted to like this, integration sine u, this one is du. So what is the integration of sine u? That is minus cos u plus c. That is minus cos u. U means here log x, cos of log x plus c. This is the answer. Number 5, sorry, number 6, first part. I think it is clear for you. Let us go 6, second part. Question number 6, second part, question given cos square log x whole divided by x into dx. So let log x as u. Let log x take as u. So what is the derivative of log x? That is 1 by x dx is equal to du. Now replacing log x as u, that is cos square u, and dx by x, that is du. So what is the integration of cos square u? That is minus cot u plus c, minus cot u means here log x, cot of log x plus c. This is the answer of number 6, second part. Next I am going to number 7, first. Question number 7, first part, question given integration of sine of 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Let 2 tan inverse x take as u. So what is the derivative of 2 tan inverse x? That means 2 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Dx is equal to du. That means dx by 1 plus x square is equal to du by 2. Now replacing all, you will get sine u, because 2 tan inverse x I have taken as u, and dx by 1 plus as du by 2. 1 by 2 take it outside, integration sine u du. 1 by 2, so integration of sine u, that is minus cos u plus c. Finally we are getting minus 1 by 2 cos u. U means here 2 tan inverse x, cos of 2 tan inverse x plus c is the answer. In this way number 7, first part also completed. Today I have completed few questions. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do more sums.